Hey guys, what's up? This be your girl Damo back with another video. Today I'm gonna be taste testing these Bugles Ranch chips. These are the ones. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't even know why I did that. But I never had these, so I'm gonna taste test them to see how they are. Bugles, when silence is survival, can you resist the crunch? Crunch with caution. To get your free movie ticket. They got all the stuff in the back. So, without further ado, let's taste test it. It smells like ranch. Definitely tastes like ranch. And it's good. I'll definitely eat these again. Well, most of you already know. I'm going to give it a 10. This is a 10. Yeah, I would definitely eat these again. But not all the time though. But I would definitely eat these again. I'm going to save these for later. Because if I eat them now, it won't be no more. So, those of you who know, we did get a new kitten. It's a little baby kitten, so cute. She's a tabby. They were born April 5th, 2020. They like to play. Yeah. So, also, if you guys have a TikTok, please follow me. I will follow you back. If you come from YouTube, let me know. Comment on one of my videos on TikTok. I will definitely follow you guys back. Also, I do have merch. The link will be in the description. Go look at it. Take a look. If you see something you like, go purchase it. If not, it's all good. Also, if you have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, follow me also. Add me as a friend on Facebook if you have one. Though all of those links will be in the description. And with that being said, hope you guys enjoy this taste testing video. Make sure you like it, comment, subscribe if you're new. I would like to thank everybody that joined me on my live earlier. I appreciate it. It was fun. It was funny. It was amazing. So I thank you all for coming, and I will see you all later. Peace out. God bless. And have a terrific Tuesday. Peace.